अपना पार्ट कंप्लीट करते हैं, जो डे 2 के हिसाब से हमारा पार्ट, डे 3 पे जो हमारा पार्ट पेंडिंग रह गया था। हाँ, तो हम उसको पूरा कर लेते हैं। ब्रॉडली जैसे हमने ये प्रोग्राम डिजाइन करा है, तो इसमें हमने डे 1 में सारे के सारे एनर्जी एक्सपीरियंसेस को हाईलाइट करा है, हाउ वन हैज टू एक्सपीरियंस द एनर्जी। वो प्रैक्टिकल ज्यादा है, थ्योरी कम है, बिकॉज उसमें कॉन्टिन्यूसली इस बात के ऊपर फोकस करना कि कितना एनर्जी एक व्यक्ति को केवल देखने से पता चल रही है हमारे को। तो अगर पेड़ पौधों में एनर्जी है तो ह्यूमन बॉडी में कितनी सारी एनर्जी होगी। तो वो जो ऑरा प्रैक्टिसेस है, वो क्लाउड और एयर और अर्थ और फायर, वो एक बड़ा डिफरेंट सा एस्पेक्ट है। उसमें उसमें वो डॉक्टर आरती आपको और प्रैक्टिस करा सकते हैं अगर आप चाहें तो। अदरवाइज जो है उसमें मतलब नॉट मच ऑफ माई रोल, बट मुझे उसकी प्रैक्टिकल एप्लीकेशन पता है कि जो भी उसमें कलर्स दिखते हैं, जब हम उन कलर्स को देखते हैं तो हमारे कलर्स जो हैं वो 9 प्लैनेट से कनेक्टेड है। तो कोई भी व्यक्ति जब उसके ऊपर कलर्स आते हैं तो वो कलर्स आने से ये पता चलता है कि उसकी एक्टिव दशा, ग्रह दशा क्या चल रही है।
ओके।
तो वो जो कलर है वो वहां से आता है। तो उसमें सन और मून जो है उनका कलर है गोल्डन और सिल्वर, ठीक है। राहु केतु का कलर है कोका कोला एंड ग्रे,
ग्रे।
ठीक है। ये 4 कलर तो ये वाले हो गए। फिर मंगल, मार्स का कलर है रेड, मरकरी का कलर है ग्रीन, जुपिटर का कलर है येलो, वीनस का जो है वो डर्टी मिल्क कलर है।
ओके।
उसको neither we call it gray nor we call it white nor we call it silver color, तो उसको हम डर्टी मिल्की कलर कह सकते हैं कि हाँ, इट इज समवॉट अ डर्टी मिल्की कलर। और ये हो गया शुक्र। शनि इज ब्लू।
ओके।
तो जब भी हम किसी व्यक्ति की ऑरा देखते हैं उस टाइम पर उसकी ऑरा जो है वो इन 9 कलर्स के ब्लेंडेड कलर्स हमें दिखते हैं। और वो व्यक्ति नहीं, मतलब इट इज समथिंग विच इज ऑन एवरीबडी, विच इम्प्लाइज टू एवरीबडी। तो इसलिए मतलब ये सारा एस्पेक्ट तो इस तरीके से आता है, मतलब इस तरह से ऑरा का जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो मैंने किसी के पास नहीं देखा।
ओके।
तो क्योंकि ऑरा मुझे दिखता नहीं था, तो डॉक्टर आंटी जब किसी के ऑरा चेक करते थे तो मैं उनको ऑब्जर्व करता रहता था कि ये कैसे करते हैं। तो मैंने उसका फिर थ्योरेटिकल एक्सप्लेनेशन देखने का एफर्ट करा कि what is that which is impacting in terms of theory, why something is happening। तो उसका जो सबसे इम्पोर्टेंट एस्पेक्ट मैंने स्टडी करा वो मैं आपके साथ में शेयर करता हूँ कि मैं प्राणिक हीलिंग को जो है जब इनकम्प्लीट बोलता हूँ तो उसमें जो इनकम्प्लीट पार्ट था वो उसकी थ्योरी के अंदर था।
ओके।
अब उसको मैं एक्सप्लेन कैसे करूं। आपको बारबेक्यू पता है क्या होता है?
बारबेक्यू, ये डाल है, बारबेक्यू डाल।
नो नो, वो बारबी डॉल नहीं, बारबेक्यू, BARBEQU।
अच्छा।
मैं एक सेकंड इमेज दिखाता हूँ आपको, देखो।
Okay, sir. Understand.
एक्चुअली मैं वो इमेज देख रहा हूँ जिसमें एक इमेज में एक ही बकरा जो है वो पूरा का पूरा सीधा लगाया जाता है और उसे गोल गोल घुमाया जाता है। तो ये मटन की प्रिपरेशन में जो है,
वो एग्जीबिशन में स्टॉल्स है ना, उसी टाइम देखा।
हाँ, तो ये फिल्म्स वगैरह में इसका काफी
हाँ
सारा
यस
वो
यस यस।
आता रहता
इन शोले फिल्म भी है ना,
है।
इन शोले फिल्म और गब्बर
हाँ,
सिंह ने।
हाँ, वो वहां पर पका रहा है, मीट पका रहा है, राइट,
हाँ यस
एब्सोल्युटली।
यस।
सो वो उस तरीके का जो पार्ट था। सो व्हाट, अब हम इसको ना
अभी याद आ गया सर।
उसमें एक रॉड सी होती है
ओके।
और उस रॉड के अंदर जो है वो,
वो एनिमल का बॉडी फिक्स करना।
राइट राइट, एब्सोल्युटली। सो वो एनिमल का बॉडी उसमें डालते हैं, नीचे फायर होती है और उसको गोल गोल घुमाया जाता है।
यस यस।
ठीक है ना, इसको हम बारबेक्यू कहते हैं।
अच्छा ओके।
अब व्हाट इज द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ बारबेक्यू? बारबेक्यू का जो इम्पोर्टेंस है वो ये है कि आग नीचे जल रही है, अगर वो उस एनिमल को, जिसको मीट वहां पे रखा हुआ है, उसको अगर गोल गोल नहीं घुमाएंगे तो जो एक्चुअल ब्राउनिंग होनी है, दैट ब्राउनिंग ऑफ दैट मीट विल नॉट टेक प्लेस।
यस यस।
अगर वो गोल नहीं घूमेगा तो एक तरफ से जल जाएगा और एक तरफ से कच्चा रह जाएगा।
यस यस।
यही पार्ट होगा ना।
ओके।
अब उसको जब आप गोल गोल घुमाते हो तो अब आपको पता चलता है कि ईच एंड एवरी पार्ट ऑफ दैट एंटायर मीट
बॉडी।
जो है उसको प्रॉपर हीट मिल रही है।
ओके।
Now imagine the same situation in the universe of your solar system. एक ही सन है, अगर अर्थ का रोटेशन नहीं हो रहा, अर्थ का रोटेशन और रेवोल्यूशन अगर नहीं होगा तो अर्थ का एक तरफ का हिस्सा जल जाएगा और एक तरफ का हिस्सा कच्चा रह जाएगा।
यस।
Now there are 800 crores human being taking life on earth. 800 crores almost now. Some people are white in color, some are black in color, others are red, yellow, brown. So there are different colors which you observe of the 800 human beings.
Depending upon the climatic conditions prevailing in that area.
Depending upon the browning effect happening on the earth.
Yes.
People who are near the equator are either black. ठीक है ना? When you are a little away from the equator, you have brown effect. So people in India are absolute brown people.
Yes.
So उसमें भी आप identify कर सकते हैं कि people who are living in Kashmir are white. People who are living in Chennai or in the south, Kerala are black. So you can identify across each stretch in Gujarat, in Northeast. So there is a clear variety which with the human beings which you identify of the color. So the color is primarily connected with the line of equator. Closer to the equator, the people are black. Far from the equator, the people are white.
Yes.
ठीक है, तो कश्मीरी जिनको हम सुंदर कहते हैं, वो कश्मीरी सुंदर इसलिए होते हैं बिकॉज हम उन्हें गोरे रंग का देखते हैं, and we consider that people who are fair complexion are more beautiful compared to people who are dark.
Yes.
So ये हमारी डेफिनेशन पोस्ट ब्रिटिश पीरियड में आई, पहले ये सब नहीं था। पहले व्हाइट और ब्लैक का डिस्क्रिमिनेशन ही नहीं था बिकॉज कृष्ण वाज डार्क इन कलर एंड राधा जी वाज फेयर इन कॉम्प्लेक्शन। सो हमने कभी भी कृष्ण को डिसरिस्पेक्ट नहीं दिया कि ये ब्लैक है तो इंफीरियर है। नो, that kind of discrimination never came to us because even if he is dark, we never had the discrimination. The discrimination to us are given by Westerners. तो उन्होंने हमारे सिस्टम में ये corruption in definition took place, and nobody looked it because each and everyone was impregnated with thoughts. तो वो कभी किसी का ध्यान ही उस पर नहीं गया. Otherwise in southern India जो ब्राह्मण clans थे वो इतने dark complexion के नहीं थे. So there was always something in terms of discrepancy which existed in each and every theory, but like a dipstick method, we followed all that part. And all the definitions have been changed in the process of time. I don't realize Rajnikant when he became a South Indian, because he was basically from Maharashtra.
Yes.
But Rajnikant is a South Indian icon.
Right. But most of his life settled and bread and butter in the Tamil Nadu, Karnataka. That's why he has only few people know that he's a Maharashtrian.
So all that it happens, and those kind of things only impacts the definition.
Yes.
Krishna was a UPite. He was born in Mathura, and all through his life he lived in Dwarka, which is Gujarat.
Yes.
So Gujarati have a different kind of an affinity, and people of UP had a different kind of an affinity. So ये जो इंटीग्रेशन होते हैं चीजों के हिसाब से, ये बहुत डिफरेंट होते हैं. हमें कभी भी ये पता नहीं चलता है कि why and what is the core reason of being impregnated with thoughts.
Yes.
So this is what my learning of the subject.
Yes. Not only the facial expression, all these things. In Gujarat, I worked 1.5 years. They called it Dwarkadis. In South, we are calling him Lord Krishna.
Lord Krishna, right.
Gokuldam, Dwarkadis, ऐसा बोलता है. इधर Krishna, Lord Krishna, Krishna, Radha, ऐसा बोलता है in South. They are calling there are some differences in the calling the God also there.
Absolutely. So if you recall my Bij Mantra wala jo slide tha, which was describing the entire Bij Mantra, so we have taken the name, property, action and relationship, 4 factors. So the combination of a mantra will be based always on those 4 factors only.
Okay. What are the 4 factors? Calling?
Name.
Okay.
Properties, action and relationship. So for any bifurcation, object, property, object matlab name and subname. So object, property, action and relationship.
Yes.
So whole of everything is primarily bifurcated into 4 parts only. तो mantra का जो creation है, mantra can only be created if either of the 4 जो है is a combination. So when you are calling somebody as a Dwarkadhish, it is acknowledging that people of a particular region were considering him as a lord of the entire process.
Yes.
ठीक है ना? So there was one spiritual leader from Pondicherry, Aurobindo.
Aurobindo Ashram.
Aurobindo Ashram in Pondicherry. Now the Aurobindo, so Arvind Rishi jo the, he was knowing around 24 languages. 24 languages, and he is one person on earth. अपने टाइम पर उनसे ज्यादा बड़ा इंटेलेक्चुअल ऑन लिंग्विस्टिक सिस्टम नोबडी वाज फाउंड. ही वाज द मोस्ट वेल रेड पर्सन. उन्होंने एक थ्योरी दी थी, पिटर, पैटर, पॉटर, फादर.
अच्छा.
पितृ, पितृ, पहला टर्म था पितृ, दूसरा टर्म था पैटर, तीसरा टर्म था पॉटर और चौथा टर्म था फादर.
अच्छा.
तो संस्कृत में भारत में पितृ टर्म जो था वो ब्रिटिश में जाकर बन गया फादर.
ओके ओके.
सो ये रीजनल लैंग्वेजेस के तौर पे एक संस्कृत का टर्मिनोलॉजी ट्रैवल करता करता वहां पहुंचा, तो वहां पहुंचने के बाद उसके टर्म इवॉल्व होकर बन गई फादर। अब जैसे आप हैदराबाद में है, हैदराबाद में एक वो बड़ा पॉपुलर हुआ था सॉन्ग, वो उसने गाया था, वो कमल हसन का जो वो है ना,
कमल हासन नॉर्मली बिलोंग्स टू तमिलनाडु ना।
कमल हसन का जो वो है, उसकी बेटी का जो हस्बैंड जो है, क्या नाम है उसका?
हासन बेटी का श्रुति हासन।
श्रुति हसन तो उसकी डॉटर हो गई। दूसरी जो डॉटर है उसका जो हस्बैंड है,
ओके ओके,
इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर आर्टिस्ट, मतलब इज अ वेरी पॉपुलर फिल्म एक्टर। उसकी बहुत एक से एक अच्छी अच्छी मूवीज उसकी आई थी। तो उसने एक सॉन्ग गाया था, व्हाई दिस कोलावरी डी।
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके। धनुष ना?
धनुष धनुष
धनुष इज द सन इन लॉ ऑफ रजनीकांत।
अच्छा ओके, तो मेरे को गलत ध्यान रहा होगा।
अच्छा अच्छा,
गलत ध्यान रहा होगा। सो धनुष जो था, उसने जब ये व्हाई दिस कोलावरी डी गाना गाया, तो उस गाने के अंदर एक जगह वर्डिंग आया काइला ग्लास।
अच्छा ओके,
ठीक है, और उसका मतलब था खाली गिलास, ऑल फियर, ऑल फुल विद टीयर्स।
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके,
मतलब गिलास खाली है, पानी है, लेकिन उसमें जो पार्ट है जो भरा भरा हुआ है, वो सिर्फ टीयर से भरा हुआ है, आंसुओं से भरा हुआ है।
आंसुओं से, ओके।
ठीक है। सो तो जब उसने कायला कायला ग्लास बोला टर्म, तो मैंने कहा इसने खाली गिलास को कायला क्यों बोला, तो मुझे पता चला का और खा का प्रोनाउंसिएशन डिफरेंस था विद द पीपल ऑफ दैट ओरिजिन।
ओके ओके।
तो जो हमारा संस्कृत का वोकैबुलरी है, क ख ग घ च छ ज झ या, तो वहां पर जो है आपका, इसमें क्या कहते हैं, जैसे यहां पर हम बोलते हैं कविता, वहां पर बोला जाता है कवि था। उसकी प्रोनाउंसिएशन जब इंग्लिश में लिखते हैं, सो दे राइट KAVITHA।
ओके,
हियर इट इज रिटन एज KAVITA।
यस,
ठीक है। सो लाइकवाइज एवरीथिंग इज चेंजिंग इन टर्म्स ऑफ संस्कृत अल्फाबेट सिस्टम। फॉर एग्जाम्पल इन मराठी देयर इज अ टर्म नॉर्मली नोन एज विठल।
यस,
विठल 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 विठल। सो there is a very popular chanting for Vitthal. Now Vitthal has a alphabet. I'll show you that alphabet. विठल में ये अल्फाबेट यूज होता है।
अच्छा अच्छा, ओके ओके,
ठीक है। एक उनके अल्फाबेट होता है, वो जो डबल ठा होता है, इस तरीके से भी यूज होता है। सो ईच अल्फाबेट constitution which exists into a particular language has a different meaning and connotation. Every language doesn't use the 51 alphabets. So when I checked the pronunciation system, I realized कि end of the day हम जो भी चीज प्रोनाउंस करते हैं, उसका डिफरेंस ही हमारे पूरे सिस्टम में फर्क लाता है। I'll give you a very simple connotation on this. ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
लक्ष्मी।
लक्ष्मी। ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
लक्ष्मी।
So now if you ask a Britisher to pronounce Lakshmi, he'll pronounce Lakme.
Okay, okay.
That's the way Britishers pronounce.
Okay.
आपको डिफरेंस हाईलाइट हो रहा है?
हाँ, yes, yes. Okay.
I and E are pronounced as same in English as well. For example, if you write she or you write she, does it matter in terms of pronunciation?
she. Okay.
ठीक है। अब I'll give you a very different kind of, ये लैंग्वेजेस की वजह से हमारा जो इम्पैक्ट हो रहा है, ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
ची।
ची। ये क्या लिखा हुआ है?
ची।
ची और शी में क्या डिफरेंस है?
ये तो प्रोनाउंसिएशन का डिफरेंस है ना, ये तो स्टार्ट विद सी, ये स्टार्ट विद सी।
शी इज शी।
शिवा।
शिवा। सो शिवा में जो शी है वही ची है।
यस।
शिवा में जो शी है एक्चुअली इट इज ची। आपको मैं मेरी बात समझा पा रहा हूं?
यस यस यस। ओके।
इसको प्रोनाउंस करके बताइए।
चिवास।
So why you pronounce here as Shivas? Why you haven't pronounced as Chivas? So the origin of the term chi was with she, not with chi, chi.
Yeah.
Am I able to highlight you the difference?
Yes, yes, yes.
So whatever is practiced in China as chi energy is actually she energy of Shiva.
Yes.
So Shiva में she or va was Shiva. She was the goddess. So the energy of the goddess was associated with the term she.
Yes.
Now, how I was able to correlate all this is there is also a term called Qi, Q-U-I.
Okay, Q-U-I.
Q-U-I. The science is called Qigong. Qigong is a Chinese science.
Yes, Chinese.
Is again derived from Shiva.
Okay.
So the tonality and the difference of pronunciation of different regions of the world were actually pronouncing the same God. 5,200, oh, sorry, not 5,000, 5,200 years before today, Krishna evolved. During Krishna period, from Krishna period to for 2,000 years, the constant amount of Ashmegh Yag took place in the whole of the world, performed by Indians. Performed by Indians. So in each part of the globe, you find lot of population. You go to China, you go to India, everywhere you find lot of population. In Africa, you'll find lot of population. Why you don't have population in South America, North America, and Europe?
Yes.
So Kalyavan was the Asur existing in the time of Krishna, who 18 times invaded India. Each time, whenever he appeared through this place, each time he was carrying a army of 2 crore people. So whenever he came here, he was defeated, his whole army was killed, and he again gone back. So each time he again go there, prepare an army, collect people, train them, bring them to India. And the moment he came to India, the kings which were existing here, Krishna, Arjuna, and of those sorts, वो उसको मार देते थे सारी सेना को और उसे फिर जिंदा छोड़ देते थे. So likewise he invaded India some 18 times. And उस टाइम का जो इंडिया था, that was having Afghanistan, Pakistan, entire Kashmir, part of Russia, China. So all that was Indian continent. Niche Sri Lanka, Burma, Bhutan. So all that was an Indian continent.
Okay.
तो जो लैंग्वेज है वो लैंग्वेज गोज बाय इन्वेडर्स. तो संस्कृत हैज गॉन टू फारदेस्ट पॉइंट ऑफ द ग्लोब बिकॉज ऑफ द रूलर्स ऑफ इंडिया.
Okay.
our education system doesn't educate us in that manner. I've given you a description of, I've given you one example of China. The other example I've given you of ये अपना क्या कहते हैं, Lakme. Now I'm giving you Shiva's, or now I'm giving you the third example. क्या लिखा है मैंने?
Soom.
Soom. Soom is बीज मंत्र for सूर्य.
Okay.
ठीक है. Now write this in English.
S-U-M. S-U-M. Okay, sun.
तो सूर्य का बीज मंत्र है और उसका प्रोनाउंसिएशन SUN है.
Yes.
अगर आज की टोनैलिटी के टर्म में लिखेंगे तो दिस इज द राइट प्रोसेस ऑफ राइटिंग इट. बट उनके लैंग्वेज में कौन सा टर्म आता है? सन आता है.
सन आता है.
Am I making myself clear now?
You have done a lot of research. It shows.
मतलब
you have done a lot of research on this thing.
Sir, research is only because of intention.
Yes, yes.
The fundamental intention is when people outside the world teach me meditation, I feel the pain. Because this is the country who taught the world how to meditate.
Yes.
There is not a single civilization which existed on earth who gives you the description of gods. Our country is the only country who researched on gods.
Yes.
The power, the valor which we had, which we possessed, was never possessed by anyone else. Their languages are having words which are with Indian origin or with Sanskrit origin. But how we have been educated, that entire setup is being given to us by them. Our language, learning, civilization, and all the examples, they say they have given us. There are more than 1 million people. There are more than 1 million people who are saying that after the pranic healing activity, it is the world who know what energy is, which means India doesn't possess anything pertaining to energy healing or setup of that sort. So people with Chinese, Japanese, American origin are teaching us that how you should live. That's not the reality. That is not the true form. I don't compare anything with anyone. My only intention is, if you possess anybody in the whole world who is being educated on the processes highlighted by all the people of the earth, all the civilizations, bring them to me. If they can heal faster than me, I'll surrender myself. Because, and the person should be honest enough to teach his science.
Yes.
The entire activity which I've learned, I'm teaching everyone. I'm teaching even bit. You should have the time. I have so much of material with me. I can give you the complete details on how exactly the subject originated.
Okay.
So that is my research subject. So I am doing a research on around 125, 127 research papers.
Okay.
So when there are so much of research work needs to be performed, there must be some existence of the theory itself. Only then the research is possible.
Yes.
And I've highlighted people that this is the original research work which was started by Aurobindo. Now, Aurobindo Ashram once was governed by Rishi Aurobindo. Now there are complete Westerners who are controlling that ashram.
Yes.
You find most of the foreigners there only. So when the foreign invasion took place, they also gave a lot of donations to them. So obviously the original work of Aurobindo you'll never find there.
Yes.
this happens with all the organization. This happens with all the organization. But if you really want to excel for any subject, the only science which has the power is the power of the Bij mantras. The moment you start experiencing them, and that doesn't mean it doesn't require correction. There are so many things I've encountered which has been changed by last 100, 200 years of the invasion time. Maybe 400, maybe 500. Because Britishers were keep on coming to India. It was not that they came in 1857. They were much more before this time. So like business travelers, they were constantly coming to the kings. And these business travels were happening for more than 1,000 years old. तो धीरे धीरे आके एक एक राजा को करप्ट करके फिर उन्होंने वो पूरा का पूरा प्रोसेस चेंज करा.
Yes, yes.
तो देयर वाज वन फिजिकल, मेरा एक फिजिकल सेशन था काफी पहले. सो उसमें आर्मी के काफी सारे लोग आए हुए थे, वेरी सीनियर ऑफिशियल्स वर देयर. तो जब हमारा डिस्कशन चल रहा था तो मैंने कहा एक बात बताइए, मुझे आपके देश के ऊपर जो है अटैक करना है तो मुझे कितनी प्लानिंग चाहिए होगी? तो उसका क्या आंसर होगा आप बताइए? हाउ मच टाइम आई शुड नीड टू अटैक यू?
Immediately, when we receive the news, immediately we can strategically send our army or all these things, and we can also plan accordingly. ना?
ठीक है. सो आप यही सोचोगे कि इमीडिएट इफेक्ट में मुझे किसी को अटैक करना है तो अटैक कर दूंगा. आई वोंट थिंक मच until unless if I don't have the resources. जैसी रिसोर्सेज आएंगे मैं अटैक कर दूंगा. यही तो आप बोलेंगे ना. आंसर तो यही होना चाहिए.
Yes.
The answers which I received from the army officials were not the same. They say that it depends on the country. If it is China, they take minimum preparation time of 100 years.
Okay.
If it is Israel, the Jews prepare for not less than 500 to 700 years. So then I realize it is the theory of the Vardis. How much time they will take to attack. आपके पास पावर है, मतलब आपके देश में हमेशा पावर रही. तो पावर थी इसलिए आप किसी को कभी भी जब मन करा तब अटैक कर दिया. ज्यादा सोचने की जरूरत ही नहीं.
In recent years also, China has coming to our land and all these things. Still the government is with their patients and all these things. They are bring all this information before the UNA and WHO and all these things, but they don't attack directly.
They don't attack directly. They not attacking directly is because they work with a strategy of minimum 100 years. They plan for 100 years and then attack, which clearly shows that they are aware that they have limited strength. They have limited strength. Though at the moment I'm going a little off topic, but the objective of the activity was just to highlight why everything happened around us in a conspiracy. So that conspiracy was involving not less than 1,000 years.
Yes.
We are the only country in the whole world जिसमें की 80% population even today is of Hindus. There is not even a single country in the globe which is following a religious practice which is more than 2,500 years old today.
Yes.
If you go to China, they are either practicing Buddhism or they are atheist. If you go to Japan, they are either practicing Shinto or practicing Buddhism.
Yes.
If you go to Israel, they are practicing Judaism or they are practicing being atheist. If you go to Europe, you'll find either they are practicing church, matlab Christianity, or they are practicing something else. But across the globe, people have lost their original religion, which is more than 2,500 years old.
That's absolutely correct.
It is only India which is having a religious practice performed by more than 80% of people of the country, which is with 2005 years, 2500 years older civilization, religious practice.
Yes.
इसका मतलब हमने कितने युद्ध लड़े होंगे अपने आप को बचाने के लिए?
We are not the power mongers.
हमारे यहाँ इतनी पावर थी कि हमारे को कभी भी पावर के हिसाब से सोचना नहीं पड़ता था. आप केरला में जाइए, केरला के वॉरियर्स हैं. तमिलनाडु में जाइए, वहां तमिलनाडु वाले वॉरियर्स हैं. अगर आप हैदराबाद तेलुगु जाते हैं तो तेलुगु वॉरियर्स अलग तरीके के हैं. महाराष्ट्र में जाते हैं तो मराठा वॉरियर्स हैं. राजस्थान में जाते हैं तो राजस्थान, पंजाब, ये सारे वॉरियर कम्युनिटीज है. इफ यू गो टू यूपी, यूपी वाले तो बिल्कुल ही सिवाय युद्ध लड़ने के यूपी वाले तो कुछ जानते ही नहीं है. तो पूरे सिस्टम में जो पावर थी, वो कौन सा हमारा स्टेट था जिसमें आप बोलें कि हमारे यहाँ पावर नहीं थी? नॉट इवन अ सिंगल स्टेट. तो हमारे को केवल डिवाइड एंड रूल करा जा सकता था. And that divide and rule, because we followed a very strong nationalism, so they took more than 150 years to break our education system.
Yes, first Lord Mountbatten, Lord Macaulay, they first they concentrated, they spoiled, and they have on our education system only, na.
So people like those required a strategy or a conspiracy to get something from this country. Even today they are not successful. Even today they are not successful.
Because ours is the karma bhumi.
Because of the strong rishi lineage.
Yes.
Because of the strong God research, and because of the research on our culture and power, we are so powerful today. Even today,
is the mother of all languages.
Even
Simple
today,
thing, Sanskrit is the mother of all languages.
Sanskrit is the mother of all languages. So when I did my research on Sanskrit, I realized that the real power lies here only.
Yes.
So if the whole world is working on virus and planning something like Corona for the whole world, in our entire society, people like me are working on what is the God material available to us in the form of Bij mantras, which can reverse the sign of Corona.
Yes. Very few persons like you only.
So but now I am not few. I am more than 100.
Yes, yes.
Once you learn the subject, you will also create more than 100 people around you.
So Srimbija warriors. We are all called as Srimbija warriors.
Absolutely. So, and the purpose of the entire study is not to make money. The purpose of the entire process is to highlight a situation where Corona becomes uncontrollable by the allopathic system.
Yes.
So if the third wave or fourth wave became a nuisance that we are not able to save our near and dear ones, our family members, how we have to save ourselves. The purpose of this training program is that.
Yes.
इसलिए I gave due weightage to every participant.
Okay.
Dikshit ji is with us in this program. He was there in our first batch.
Okay.
Till date, we didn't had any financial interaction. But whatever I researched as the material in last 1 year, I shared even the single most slide. उन्होंने पढ़ा नहीं पढ़ा वो उनका इश्यू हो सकता है. मैंने सारा मटेरियल उनको भेजा. So I am trying to deliver a honest system where the real learning is shared transparently.
Yes.
So whether you learn it or not, that's again not my point of view of thinking. My point of view is, did I did justice to my role or not?
Yes.
So the entire course material, whatever we are interacting on a cloud, on a Zoom cloud, is also available to everybody.
Yes.
Can be forwarded to everybody. It is absolutely freely available. So that more and more people, if they have the intention and if they don't have the money with them, they can definitely can see, evaluate the material available on my YouTube channel or on my website.
Yes.
Am I being justice to the subject?
More than not only 100%, 1,000 times we are giving to the society or the persons who are interested all the things.
ठीक है. अब सर क्या है कि हमारे को इस पूरे प्रोसेस में सिर्फ अपने अंदर थिंकिंग एबिलिटी को जनरेट करना है.
Yes. First that you should
अब जो
bring the
थिंकिंग एबिलिटी है, जो
Hmm.
थिंकिंग एबिलिटी जो है वो तब आएगी जब हम श्रीम लिखकर अपने अंदर लिसनिंग एबिलिटी करें. बिकॉज
Yes.
द मोमेंट वील कनेक्ट विद द सोल सीड,
Hmm.
the soul will start communication with us.
Yes.
But that communication is happening on the thought level.
Hmm.
So until and unless I became very watchful for my own thoughts,
Hmm.
I'm not going to be in a situation
Hmm.
to give due justice to the program. Energy experience is a minimal activity. The moment you start lifting the
Yes.
energy, the thoughts will automatically get more and more purified.
Yes. Yes.
Whatever the forces around in the network will impact you.
Hmm.
So how you should be, your valor should be how much, so that you can counter all the forces existing around. People who are thinking negative, people who are diseased, there are spirited people.
Hmm.
So all what is there around you needs to be second, you should be primary. So until unless you start writing Shreem the way we are sharing all the processes and approaches, the day you'll start pursuing that part religiously, you'll be able to heal thousands and thousands of people in one go.
Yes. Yes. Just
So
like a
when
mass healing.
mass healing. So when Corona will come, you'll never have a fear for ki, look, this wave can hamper me.
Okay.
So how one needs to protect themselves is everything documented. So this program makes you slowly move in that direction.
Okay.
Okay. So now again coming to day 3 of our PPT. So day 1 we
But
did.
can we do a mass healing at this stage? Because still I am in the 4th day or 5th day, 5th day. Can I do mass healing of each state? Andhra state, Tamil Nadu state, Telangana state. Can I do the mass healing of the patients of Corona? Because I am, as per your instruction, I am doing myself and my family members and those who are come to me near and dear, and presently I am doing. Is there any system to do mass healing?
It is very easy system, sir. You can do mass healing of anyone.
Okay.
Do you have anybody who is very diseased?
Regarding the Corona, why it should be?
नहीं. I'm saying, आपका कोई फैमिली मेंबर है जिसकी बहुत ज्यादा तबीयत खराब है, irrespective of Corona, कोई और तबीयत खराब हो?
Nothing is there. Because with the God's grace, for the last 2.5 decades, I am in this. My wife is also a advanced pranic healer. Whenever it is come, only small incidents only. Then there is no long.
So the simplest, most process of healing somebody is take a colored printout of the person.
Okay.
मतलब जैसे किसी व्यक्ति का तबीयत बहुत खराब है, उसका फोटो खींचिए.
Okay.
फोटो खींचकर उसका बड़ा सा प्रिंट आउट निकालिए. और उस प्रिंट आउट के पीछे का जो हिस्सा है, start writing Shreem on that photograph.
Okay. But some of our clients are having the diseases. Okay.
You can use this method. Use this method.
Okay.
I'll highlight what is the difference, why we are doing this.
Okay.
Take a
but I am
print out.
daily sharing daily lessons to my wife. Sir has told like this. So because once I discussed with her, it will be remembering in my mind.
No, I'll also share the.
Because you are not giving any top secret and all these things. That's why daily I'm sharing with my wife only.
See, there is nothing like secret in spirituality.
No.
It is a spirituality.
Good or not, no. I have to tell now. If there is a secrecy, I will maintain. Otherwise, because you are not told any secrecy, that's why I'm after
सर प्राणिक हीलिंग में भी सीक्रेसी नहीं होता है,
yes,
but they
pranic
make you
healing
take, but ये they make you take a oath.
yes.
They make you take a oath of confidentiality.
Yes.
Confidentiality is just to protect a 5,000 rupees membership course.
Yes.
There is nothing else which is existing there.
Yes.
I know 1,000 times much more material than entire pranic healing community.
Yes, yes.
But why I'm doing this is because pranic healers were unable to heal 100% during Corona.
Yes, yes.
It was a systematic failure. Ab, I lost almost 7 of my closest relations during this entire Corona process. In the second wave, not in the first wave. I ignored the power of the second wave. That's why it happened in that format.
Okay.
तो जब तक मुझे समझ में आता तब तक there was a death toll, मतलब within 3 months India lost almost 1 million people.
Yes.
April, May, June, people, there were more than 1 million deaths which took place in India. And it was such a fast walk that it was not possible for me or my people in my community to heal everybody.
Yes.
And the worst problem was people didn't have the belief system.
Yes, that is the.
Okay. So I made a request. There is one guy, Mr. Mohan Budali. He is there in Hyderabad only,
Okay.
and he is basically a faculty in the National Insurance Institute.
Okay, insurance company. Okay.
Not company. It is a government institution.
Okay. National Insurance Company. There are 4 institutions.
National Insurance Company. There is a body which constitute the, जैसे IRDA होता है ना, which constitute the IRDA exam. Insurance agents का जो एक exam होता है.
Insurance Regulation Development Authority.
Absolutely. तो वो जो development authority है, उनका institute है. He is one of the faculty there.
Okay.
Mr. Mohan Budali. He is based out of Hyderabad only. I'll request his detail with you and your details with him. You can speak on the subject as well.
Definitely.
Okay. So what I'm trying to highlight is he healed 100 people during Corona.
Okay.
But he highlighted that there is a basic limitation. If I'm healing someone, the healer, the person who I'm healing should be receptive. Whether he's giving me money or not, that doesn't mean. But he should be receptive of my energy.
Yes.
If he is not receiving my energy, it is going in a waste. It is not helping him. So what I realized is we need to develop protocol. So the first protocol which I have developed is, if the person is having a belief system, for example, if you feel that you want to heal the country,
yes, okay,
take a physical printout of the nation.
Okay.
जो भारत माता का जो पूरा फोटो है ना,
okay,
take that printout of Bharat Mata.
A color or what it may be?
Color or black and white. If it is color, it is more better.
Okay.
Take that color printout. उसका जो बैक साइड है, उसको A3 साइज या A4 साइज का आप उसका प्रिंट आउट ले लीजिए.
Okay.
और उसके बैक साइड पे पूरे पे श्रीम लिखना शुरू कर दीजिए.
Okay.
ठीक है. And keep it wherever you are sitting.
Okay.
Whenever you write Shreem for your own self, उसी टाइम में से टाइम निकालकर आप उसको हील करिए. You will be in a situation to heal the entire country.
Okay. Whenever I write the Shreem, I lift and give it to that poster.
That poster, absolutely.
Okay, I got the point.
But before giving energy to that poster, you have to write Shreem everywhere.
Already I have written on the back of the. Already I have done, na?
No. Back of that poster only I am saying.
Okay.
First step is take the printout of that nation. Write Shreem at the back.
Okay.
Once you write the Shreem at the back, put that poster wherever you sit and write, do the healing.
Okay.
Put that poster in front of you.
Okay.
On the same line, take a photograph of all the family members of yours.
Okay.
Write Shreem at the back.
Okay.
Put it again in front of the place where you are daily writing some Shreem.
No, entire photograph, back of the entire photograph, I have to write only one time or 2 times.
जैसे आप एक कॉपी में लिखते हैं, श्रीम छोटा छोटा करके लिखते हैं ना.
Okay, 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 okay.
So on the same way, you have to write at the back of that printout.
Okay.
Then your priority is your family members.
Okay.
ठीक है. So take a printout of your family members. Start writing Shreem at the back.
Otherwise, the entire family photo I have taken this. That is best, na? Taking individual photograph. Entire family photo. बड़ा का
entire family photo. Take a A4 size, A3 size of printout. Write Shreem at the back. Paste it on the wall wherever you are sitting. Once you, और आप रोज तो श्रीम लिखते ही हो अपनी कॉपी में. जब आप श्रीम लिखते हो, उसकी एनर्जी लिफ्ट करी, उस फोटोग्राफ को दे दी, तो आपके सारे फैमिली मेंबर्स जो हैं, वो श्रीम्स का वो जो एनर्जी प्रोटेक्शन है वो हो गई.
Got the point.
ठीक है. Now whosoever is coming to you, whether he buys healing services from you or not, doesn't matter. You can share this approach to them. Start writing Shreem.
Okay.
Place the map of the country, map of your a printout of your family members. Start writing Shreem at the back, and on a copy start writing Shreem daily.
Okay.
So you have some few thousand people which you have healed in last 20 years.
Yes.
You and your wife are already connected with few thousand people who are connected with you on the pranic healing basis.
Yes.
So all these people create a WhatsApp group, ask them, request them to start writing Shreem.
Okay.
There is a term in Sanskrit, Abja, ABJ.
Abja. Okay.
Abja is 1 billion.
Okay.
So I named my organization as Shreem Mantra Abja.
Okay.
An organization which is driving for people writing Shreem 1 billion times.
Okay.
For 1 billion Hindu population. So we are creating an organization model where we are driving people to start writing Shreem. The moment they start writing Shreem daily, in either any of the quantity, maybe 3,000 times or 5 times, it doesn't matter.
Okay.
But if they are writing, it is started impacting their environment.
Okay.
They'll be free or protected from the diseases coming from the environment.
Okay.
अब जैसे मुझे आपका do you possess that copy where you are writing Shreem? ठीक है. इसमें आप श्रीम लिख रहे हैं. अब इसको अलग हटा दीजिए और आप अपना जरा मुझे चक्रास का एनर्जी लेवल मेजर करके बताइए.
मेरा चक्रा का
all your chakras put together or your aura, मतलब whatever you think, कि neither congested nor depleted, a pure measurement of yours. Put the copy aside, measure your energy.
Aura energy is more than 4 feet or 5 feet.
More than 4 to 5 feet. Okay. And your chakras ka energy?
Chakras ka energy also इनमें inches में more than 5 feet. All the lower chakras are 5 inches and the ajna and above are the 6 inches.
ठीक है. So your congestion is there in the ajna chakra.
Okay.
मतलब we have a belief process that the maximum size of a chakra in the ideal state is 4 inches to 5 inches. Okay. If the chakra is below 4 inches, around 3 inches, 2 inches, 1 inches, that means that chakra is depleted.
Okay.
And when the chakra size is more than 5 inches, it is congested.
Okay.
So if your Ajna chakra is more than 5 inches, it is something which is more than 6 inches, so it is impacting your stress level.
Okay.
So there is a stress which is there, which is giving you, there must be some stress points with you. I don't know what is the reason behind that one. Now open where you have written Shreem. Take that copy which you have taken.
Here is there.
So you are holding that copy. Just open the copy where on the both side of the pages it is written Shreem. Now, like a hut, place this copy on your head.
अच्छा, just above.
नहीं, just रख दीजिए इसके ऊपर. Are you able to manage it? Just put it freely there. So that it should not fall. Now again measure all your chakra and aura energy. Okay, do one thing, open the buttons of your shirt and
now I noticed that all the chakras are on the normal size and the aura size is the like that only 4 feet or 5 feet.
Open the shirt buttons, open the register, place that register inside your shirt and close the buttons so that these Bij mantras should touch your body.
Is a bind book, na?
Okay, it is a binded book. You don't have
Yesterday you have shared, na, that madam is that is foldable and all the things. If it is available in the market, I can buy that book. It cannot be folded like that because it's binding.
Okay.
Book is very normally in Marwadis, na, in their accounting system they are using that bindings. I have seen.
I always request people to write on loose sheets so that they can be used for future references.
Okay.
जैसे अपने में experiment करना होता है तो
you can carry that loose papers also.
हाँ, वो मैं इसीलिए बता रहा हूँ भी. आप पहले कॉपी रखिए वहां पे अंदर with the pages. वो close the buttons. Now measure your aura and your chakras.
Arise बहुत बड़ा गया and chakras also बहुत बड़ा गया.
Right. Now the activity part has increased when you are using these Bij mantras in your body pockets. So if you write some 3000 times Shreem on loose sheets, and whenever you leave your place.
Daily I'm writing 500, sir. I improved my 500 times daily.
Very good. So now I'm saying कि you should keep, मतलब एक sheet पे let's suppose you have written 500 times.
Yes, yes.
Around 3000 Bij mantras. So you should have almost 6 sheets.
Yes, 6 sheets.
6 sheets of 5000 or 500 makes it 3000.
Yes.
Now if you fold those sheets and keep it in your pocket, and you can move around anywhere, even if a person is COVID positive, he won't impact you.
That stream itself give a total shielding of my body, I think.
Total shielding. Point number 1. Point number 2 is, even if some negative energies are there, you won't get impacted. Okay.
Beautiful,
so
beautiful.
Either negative energy or anything pertaining to any low energy or people with diseased energy, they won't be able to impact you. So this is what is practically the proof of the concept that when you are connected with the entire activity, each and every activity is contributing to your energy levels. If you are writing Shreem daily 500 times, it is impacting your energy levels. When you are writing Shreem for your family, it is impacting your energy level. When you are writing Shreem for your nation, it is impacting your energy level. Whatever you approach, whatever be your approach, you can create an impact in that vicinity. So when there are some 1000 people whom you are healing, appeal them, give them a request that when you'll start writing Shreem, you'll reduce your problems in the domain of corona. Now there are side effects which are associated with corona. The entire people we healed, we checked that their urine test is negative. Matlab it is acidic. So I even shared my observation with many people. People who were suffering from COVID or people who were vaccinated. In both these situations, after 1 month, 2 months, 3 months, it has been observed that they had acidic urine. The stool which they are passing also had acidic properties. Now, if the acidic properties continues in a particular human body for more than 6 months time, the research says that the person is moving in the direction of cancer. It supports cancer. So whenever somebody is having cancer, उसका जो पहला जो step है, that is for very long duration, the person is having urine and stool as acidic. So to safeguard a person from that situation or from the side effect of COVID, I have shared the easiest remedy by writing Shreem and keeping it every time with them. Okay. This impacts all the chakras and the aura of that person, and no negativity enters that person if he religiously pursues this activity for 1 year. So whatever time duration I've observed, 3 months to 12 months, it actually clears the energy blockages of the whole family. That's the reason we try to request everyone to write the Bij mantras for minimum 1 year period. I'll share one testimony also. Savita Mehta ji was there with us in our first program. Like Dixit ji, she was also there.
This is the program number. This program number.
This is, I think, 37 या 52 batch. I have to check with my records.
Okay. Just for curiosity only I am asking.
हाँ, मतलब almost 40-50 batches we have already taken. I have to just check with my record because I never focus in terms of the batch should be of 25 size or
No.
even if I get 2 people,
why,
I'll start the batch.
Why the universe has not directed me to connect with the first 10 batches? Why I have been connected with the 52 batches? In terms that I am thinking.
Actually, you are already an expert. या मतलब जैसे अतुल जी हैं, they are already an expert of healing. My responsibility is just to highlight what are the missing links.
Yes.
I'm not doing any miracle in the process. I'm highlighting what is missing. The moment you work on those missing links, immediately the energy will boost.
Yes.
That is
I
what.
don't know where I have your number and why I have been in that number. I don't know. Suddenly I have seen that pranic healers are requested. Immediately yes, I have to contact immediately. That's why I contacted on that day.
हाँ, मैं what I realize कि ये वाला part अभी जैसे मेरा tech platform ready होता है, I'll clarify कि मतलब why I'm doing this is just because I should have a team of people whom we are monitoring on a tech platform. Whosoever they are connecting is being healed completely. Just to ensure that part. Whether it is a financial model, non-financial model, वो एक separate part है. But end of the day, if somebody is coming to you, he should be healed. मतलब not in the end you should say it is your karma theory, your past karmas are so bad because of which you are not being healed. I don't appreciate that statement.
You yourself told now in one of the templates I have read that if you soul seed daily, you have put lift and put the energy, your past karmas is also be healed. Na?
Yes.
I have read in one of the templates.
They can definitely be healed. They can definitely be healed. So that is what the approach is to highlight the gaps. ठीक है ना? तो हमने day 1 पे करा energy experience, day 2 पे we highlighted पहले soul seed, फिर 3 in a body, then 5 elements of mind, body and soul, and then the entire body parts and what all sounds are connected with which body part. Healing the body part with that alphabet, keeping Shreem, Hreem, Kleem as different combination of approach. The moment somebody does the meditation on those body parts with those Bij mantras, immediate impact is churning happening inside the body, and whatever body part is at a low energy level immediately gets increased to a higher energy level. So that was day 2. Now, after increasing your energy, still there are blockages which we call it being impregnated with thoughts. Now that impregnation only is stopping you to become divine. So more and more focus and attention should be there on being impregnated. So once you clear that being impregnated, the third thing which appears is Kundalini rising. Now Kundalini is again 3 parts of that: Ida, Pingala and Sushmana. Okay. So what is Ida, what is Pingala and what is Sushmana are the...
Atul sir is not there. Again you have to repeat it for Atul sir.
So वो हम day 3 तो करेंगे ही ना. तो पर अब आपका टाइम भी वेस्ट नहीं होगा ना. You will also focus on better questions tomorrow. It doesn't matter. We have some 25 minutes with us. Let us use it in a better form. तो ये जो ईड़ा, पिंगला और सुषमना जो है, इसके ऊपर मैंने बहुत सारे एक्सपेरिमेंट देखे थे. बट द फर्स्ट एक्सपेरिमेंट व्हिच आई रियलाइज इज दैट देयर इज नो कुंडलिनी राइजिंग. Our human body itself is a kundalini. How is what the day 4 PPT is there. So day 4, day 5 covers basically what is kundalini and how it is connected with us. ठीक है? So once the kundalini is explained, there are 3 parts to the kundalini. Now Kundalini is in the form of a serpent.
Serpentine form.
Okay, so it is one serpent, nothing else. Now, if you look at the serpent, you'll find that the shape of the sperm is exactly same like the shape of the serpent. ठीक है? अब I'll show you something on the screen. Look at the shape.
Yes, yes, yes.
It possesses a head, it possesses a neck, it possesses a tail. If you look at this shape, it is more like a snake. You can look at any of the images. It looks as if there is a snake. Look at this. It looks exactly like a snake. Now, all these snakes which you observe, one snake forms and gets attracted with the egg.
Yes.
That combination becomes a zygote. The combination says that inside, that only one sperm penetrates and get inside the egg. These are the shapes which highlight only one part of the reality. Only one penetrates and get inside. Right? So whatever be the shapes, whatever be the approaches, I'll show you a few videos also for the same. Give me a second. अब आपने यहाँ पर देखा कि यहाँ पर 23
ब्यूटीफुल वीडियो,
थैंक यू, it was basically 23 chromosomes which were creating a personality type. Now see the slide which I have highlighted where I placed body parts with alphabets. There is one slide.
oh लास्ट में आया ना,
डे टू का स्लाइड था.
okay.
Day 2 slide where I can even show you.
वो बीज मंत्र बॉडी पार्ट्स ना, मेल एंड फीमेल.
मेल एंड फीमेल बीज मंत्र बॉडी पार्ट्स. ठीक है.
Yes.
Are you? See at the bottom, on the left hand side there are 25 alphabets, on the right hand side there are 25 alphabets. In the middle there is ah, ang or ah. Now focus your attention again what that video was mentioning. The video was saying the 23 chromosomes set pace for what is the color of eyes, body parts and different complexion. I can even share that video again. Oh, that's not an issue. Okay. Now look at the alphabets. These alphabets are part of elements. These alphabets are part of elemental streams and also connects different body parts. Why they are connecting different body part is by theory of origin. These 25 sounds are actually creating the different body parts. Okay. Am I able to explain my point?
Yes, yes.
So Westerners may call it chromosomes, but these are actually sounds which are happening inside, which are creating different aspects. These aspects only create a personality type, but it is actually only a combination of the alphabets, which happens while breathe in and breathe out. The more specialized the breathing is, the more creative progeny you can create. So you can even guide hospitals, जो gynecological जो hospitals हैं, you can guide couples on how to create people with higher intellect just by focusing on their breath from nose to navel, navel to nose, focusing their attention on the soul seat and chanting only Shrim Rim.
Okay.
Gives divine abilities in the child.
Shrim is inhale and Shrim is the exhale.
Exhale. Absolutely. I can share the meditation again if
Madam told na.
So those meditations are also available on YouTube channel. So we'll share also. That's not an issue at all.
Okay.
So what I'm trying to highlight is doing these basic steps, the amount where people are having problems. Somebody is having an autistic child, somebody is having a child which is not mentally developed. It is purely because of incomplete breathing process.
Okay.
The moment you create a correction in the breathing process, the moment you correct the attention point as the soul seat, the moment you start make them chant Shrim Hrim in a meditative mode or writing Shrim Bij daily, those pregnant ladies can give the most intellectual babies which our society needs. If their thinking process and the activities are moving in the right direction, and if they are very creative and constructive during the entire process, and they are not much impregnated with thoughts which are impacting the development, they can still today create miracles like Ram and Krishna. There is no much of a difficulty in that aspect. But there are approaches which needs to be defined and connected, and all those people should be given due guidance for the entire 9-month period.
Okay.
So base science in the basic form remains the same. Only application to the complexity changes. That's why we are creating a tech platform where we require healers with the expertise that they can guide and help people for their different kinds of problems as a solution system. Because in UK, when the 5G technology arrived, the mental diseases got increased. Now India has recently added 5G. The disease and the there were few theories which were also saying that corona is also driven by the 5G technology we are using. 5G is everywhere because Reliance Jio is based on 5G.
Yes.
So उसका क्या नेगेटिव इम्पैक्ट होगा, उसको काउंटर करने के लिए हमारे पास क्या मैकेनिज्म है, इज व्हाट आई एम ट्राइंग टू हाईलाइट.
Yes, yes.
So both the aspects need to be constantly monitored ki what is there affecting outside and what is there inside. Once it is connected, it is going to deliver the desired set of results. So first aspect is studying the Kundalini. It is only 3 parts: head, neck and tail.
Okay.
Now all the 3 parts are further subdivided into 3 parts. So head is divided into 3 parts, neck is divided into 3 parts, and tail is divided into 3 parts. Now 3 parts of head are Sahasrara Chakra closed, Sahasrara Chakra open, and Labdhikagra Chakra, which is between the 2 ears, center point.
Soul seat.
Soul seat. The 3 divisions of the throat chakra is the Agya Chakra, Mooladhara Chakra, and the throat chakra.
Explain again. Please explain again.
The 3 parts. The 3 parts of the neck. Head मैंने बोल दिया. हेड के 3 पार्ट हो गए. सहस्त्रार चक्र 1, सहस्त्रार चक्र 2 एंड लब्धिकाग्र चक्र. तो ये 3 हो गए हेड के 3 पार्ट. फिर नेक जो आया, नेक के 3 पार्ट कौन से थे? थ्रोट चक्रा, आज्ञा चक्रा एंड मूलाधार चक्रा.
मूलाधार चक्र is located at the base of the spine, na?
Mooladhara chakra is located at the base of the spine, but that doesn't mean कि it is below. If you have seen the image, I'll again show you an image. Take a second. Just look at this image.
Okay.
Just look at this image. Lum looks at the center.
Oh yes, lum is the center. Okay.
ठीक है. Now the same is the Kundalini symbol. Okay. In Reiki it is called chokore.
Okay.
ठीक है. If you look at this symbol, लम के बाद the circular form moves towards hum, throat chakra. Hum के बाद it is moving towards yam, anahat chakra. Yam के बाद it is moving towards ram. Ram के बाद it is moving towards vam. It seems as if the center or activity inside the body is with 5 layers.
Okay.
So when you look inside your stomach and start observing, the stool passes from where to where? The end of the anus throws the entire metabolic waste into sky, open space. So the stool passes through the setup in the sky domain.
Okay.
Same applies to the urine. Urine is in the water element. So from water, water to fire, fire to air, air to sky, sky se bahar exit.
Okay.
So these entry and exit is happening in a structural mechanism. It seems as if it is at the base, but it is sky element, it is in the throat.
अच्छा, okay.
ठीक है. अब आप स्कैन करिए जो मैंने बोला उसको स्पिरिचुअल कॉर्ड से कि थ्रोट चक्रा, मूलाधार चक्रा एंड आज्ञा चक्रा आर पार्ट ऑफ द नेक. इसकी वैलिडिटी चेक करिए स्पिरिचुअल कॉर्ड पे ये बोलकर. थ्रोट चक्रा, मूलाधार चक्रा एंड आज्ञा चक्रा, all 3 are part of the neck.
Yes. स्कैनिंग में भी ओके सही आया
ना? हाँ, मतलब देखिए मेरा काम ही जो है आपको आपके प्रोसेस में टेस्ट करने से आता है. Nobody is required to follow me blindly. That is what the specialty of my program is.
Test it, experience it, and believe it.
हाँ. तो अब थर्ड पार्ट आ गया. थर्ड पार्ट है आपका अनाहत चक्र, स्वादिष्ठान चक्र and Manipur chakra. These are the three parts of the tail. So head, neck and tail. So nine
chakras covered.
9 chakras covered. So 9 chakras are nothing but 9 parts of a single prana. And the prana form is the Kundalini. This Kundalini is moving towards the nebula. We all die, go there to that nebula form of the entire universe, जिसको कि हम ब्रह्मांड का सेंटर कहते हैं. फिर वहां से दोबारा हमें एक डिवाइन पर्पस मिलता है. We again come back and take birth. Yes. Everywhere, the video which you have seen, everywhere the spiritual reality remains the same. It is the technical terminology which exists, but most of the terms are unexplained by the process. Why somebody is mentally retarded, why somebody is mentally very healthy, why somebody is having different hunger patterns, why these changes are happening. Nobody in this world is aware why. It is the basis of this sound system which is making an inner transformation in the 9 chakra process, which the person adopts during the pregnancy period. You look at the red lights. When you move on road, you find red lights with beggars sitting with small children. And you look at very rich people, they don't have a child. Somebody is controlling the process, and that cannot be controlled by science. There are people who have tried IVF multiple times, 6, 7, 8, 9 times. They couldn't succeed. Why something of that sort is happening? Because those things are not in the human control. Despite of everything, even after that situation, if you still do IVF on that aspect itself, you'll find that the changes are very, very different. The children who are born with IVF procedure are very, very sensitive. In future, what kind of complaints they'll generate, nobody knows. While
they themselves created by the artificial, not on the natural process.
So they are not, since they are not created by the natural process, that is the reason the artificial system possesses complexities. Yes. But since it is a business, we are not aware how to counter that part. During the Mahabharata period, Gandhari had 100 children by one egg.
Yes.
Okay. So that is 1,000 times more advanced than any test tube process or any IVF process. Because IVF process is performed inside the human body. There, that process was not performed inside the human body. It was artificially done.
Yes.
And none of the 100 child survived.
Yes.
And only one was non-cruel, rest remaining everybody was cruel. So they were not able to identify what is creating such kind of discrepancies. So even in the Krishna's time, it was not a possibility to control the childbirth process. And whatever you are going to create will certain to have some kind of ambiguities. Only one domain is complete to give you free of ambiguity. It is the soul seed. The more you connect with the soul seed, the more powers will come inside you. And that is the only way one can reduce the ambiguities. So this is what my research in the process, ki what all is happening in what all places, how we can counter whatever the damage is getting caused. Okay? And I normally quote it, in the year 1985, people across the globe choose computer science and replaced moral science. From 1985 to 2000 and 2000 to 2015. Today we are living, 15 years is the one generation. So today we are living with a generation whose parents even don't know what morality is.
Yes.
So the biggest crimes which are committed today are committed by people who are most literate, not by people who are most illiterate. We have computer vaccines, we have biological vaccines, which are created not in the interest of the mankind, but in the disinterest of the mankind. So why it is happening? It is happening because the morality factor is getting reduced. And why morality is getting reduced is because we are getting deviated from our soul seat. Am I able to express my concern?
Yes. We are attracted and luring to the Western culture and all these things.
Absolutely. तो हमें वो जो भी attraction है वो हमारे को deviate कर रहा है, and Western culture is not connecting the soul, जिसको हम आत्मा कहते हैं.
Yes.
And since that is not being concerned or connected in all the 5 parts of the CAM, complementary and alternative medicine,
yes,
it is neither considered in any of the healing modalities, which is why it is impacting again equally. So neither I am representing allopathy nor I am representing the CAM. I am representing a system where we are focused on connecting with the soul seed and focused with the Bij mantras.
Yes.
And Bij mantras and the procedure which I am highlighting, none of them is a frequency, because frequency is an attribute of matter.
Okay.
So it is neither information nor energy nor matter. Soul seed is a relationship only. You feel, yes, something exists, but what is it? We don't know. So it is an unknown object. And God is an unknown object. So till date, we, मतलब क्योंकि जो भी चीज हम जान जाते हैं उसको अपना गुलाम बना लेते हैं. हम जब भी कभी कोई चीज देखते हैं कि ये तो हमें सब कुछ पता है इसके बारे में, हम उसको फट से गुलाम बना लेते हैं. God is intelligent enough to manipulate our intelligence, but to save himself from the manhandling.
Yes.
So this is the gist of the program. So let's conclude our session for today.
Thank you,
We'll
sir.
connect
Thank you.
again.
More inputs you have given. But one thing I appreciate, I am associated with a intelligent person. Those only 2 persons are attending. You are yourself giving the all the things. Sometimes now I have done many courses. Only some certain of quorum is there, then only they can share all the things. Because one quote I am, when there is a student is there, the master appears. So that aptly suited for this our course and all these things. Thanks to the God, thanks to the our master, and thanks to the Madam Aarti Madam. I'm very
thankful. But actually,
very grateful.
मैंने सर एक दिन तो वो प्रोग्राम पोस्टपोन कर दिया था, बट मैं सेकंड टाइम नहीं कर सकता था. मतलब वो एक बंदे का ध्यान रखना जरूरी है. That can be only considered out of the 7 days part. मैंने उसको 14 day कर दिया. For 2 hours daily मैंने 1 hour कर दिया. I accepted everything, but I cannot break the course again and again. तो ये है कि अब इस सिचुएशन में हमारा रिकॉर्डिंग हो गया, and I tried not to capture much of the day 3 and day 4. Oh, sorry, day 4 and day 5. But we have shared the basics, and in fact, the good part is that I have shared basics in a very, very decent form today.
Yes.